Hello, my name is Alexis, and today we're doing this look right here, which is a super easy glam. Quick, easy, I gotta look good, I gotta go. Super easy makeup look. I was supposed to wear this makeup look. I was at Dean's for the weekend for his birthday, and I brought everything to make this look, and then I didn't wear any makeup for the weekend, but this is it. This is like super quick, easy, like throw it on and go. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Base done, brows done, eyes primed, so we can move on to the fun stuff. This is going to be like literally the easiest thing ever. I'm using this duo from NARS. This is the Isolde? It's in the description. But I'm using this duo from NARS. Pretty much plenty of palettes have these two colors, or you can just use any two colors that are like a light and a dark version, basically. So I'm going to use this, and it's just like, this is so easy. This is like slap and dash, like I have somewhere I need to be, but like I gotta look good for it, like kind of glam. So, and I just put my nail in the eyeshadow. Cool. So first I'm going to take the darker side of this duo. These are both shimmery, it doesn't really matter to me, or like satiny, I guess, whatever. So I'm just gonna like take a blending brush. This is a MAC 217, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer like third-ish and chuck it in my crease. Just like that. Real easy. You could even like just take this all across if you really did not want to bother with two different colors. So that, I'm gonna take the lighter side and just pop this on the lid in that empty space that we have here. Again, you could just chuck this like everywhere if you wanted to. Just like that. And then I'm going back to the darker of the two and just running this across the lower lash line. So that's that for the eyeshadow, really quick and easy. I'm going to do this next step off camera. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara and put black liner. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then I'll be back. So here are the eyes done. Super like quick, easy, and simple, but still like gives you something. So let's finish off the face. I'm going to contour with my Kevyn Aucoin powder, bronzing with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. For my blush, I'm just using Mood Exposure from Hourglass, my little nothing blush. And to highlight, I just have this little like baby single of Hustla Baby from Fenty. I'm going to put this on my cheekbones, up and around my brow. Ooh, sparkly. Down my nose. And keep it low. You can do an array of lips with this look. Except for maybe like purple. But wear whatever lip you want. I can't speak. I'm just going to use the Gloss Bomb from Fenty, because I can't be bothered to put a lipstick on today. So here's the finished look. Super quick and easy glam, like get ready and get out the door. Like super easy. Literally two eyeshadows. And you don't even have to do two, you can do one. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye!